Imagine walking into a shop in the United Kingdom and not being able to pay with your bank card. It sounds unlikely, but it's a scenario financial leaders are now seriously discussing. Today, around 95% of card transactions in the UK run through just two American networks, Visa and Mastercard. That level of dependence has raised growing concern among British banks and policymakers. The fear centers on what some analysts call a potential shutdown button. The risk that geopolitical tensions or government action could disrupt US-based payment infrastructure. Concerns like these have gained attention amid wider debates about financial control and global influence, particularly during political periods associated with figures such as Donald Trump. So what happens in a worst-case scenario? Card payments stop working. Money remains in bank accounts, but access becomes restricted. Businesses struggle to operate. Consumers are forced back to cash. In short, a modern economy suddenly running on yesterday's systems. That's why major UK banks are now exploring a bold solution: building a fully independent national payments network. This isn't just a technical upgrade. It's about financial sovereignty and strategic resilience in a world where payment systems are increasingly seen as instruments of power. According to reporting by The Guardian, British financial institutions are accelerating efforts to develop a domestic alternative, with ambitions to launch a new system by 2030, even if it requires significant investment. But a crucial question remains: can Britain realistically move away from global payment giants? Or has the modern financial system become too interconnected to untangle? The answer will shape the future of how Britain pays and who ultimately controls the flow of money.